Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys? Any trades so far? I'm kind of flat right now. Just, I don't know, like, I don't like chop on gold. I mean, I feel like I see British structure on gold, but I don't see a good setup just yet. You know, it's just chop. See this? It's chop since 5 a.m. Don't feel good to trade this just yet. But once again, guys, we see inside kind of British structure right now. Let me show you. Where I highlighted, where I found it. Oh, my bad. I'm like, where I highlighted this level? Okay, we have 15-minute order block. Price trying to respect 15-minute order block, right? So I'm wondering if price wants to respect this 15-minute order block to go lower, back to these lows. Like basically we have equal lows over here. So I'm probably, I would like to see like short opportunity right now. Not like right now, but yeah, soon. And I will try this short to aim for 37.92.88. Guys, I didn't trade Asia yesterday because we came home around like 9 p.m. because my kids had high key classes and I simply didn't have time to check chart. So, I mean, to trade something. But good job who traded yesterday. Good job, good job, good job. I'm looking for entry right now. Hope to get something. It's this chap so far. So guys, I'm watching for the move down to 37.92, 37.88. Did you change your light? Nope. I did not. Well, let's see where we can get entry. Hello everyone. Hello, hello. So, seems like I didn't even trade Asia yesterday. I didn't know like if it offered stuff, but in hindsight it looks like yes, it offered like short, it offered long. It was great. So let's see if we get any trades. So far price gold trying to respect 5-minute, 3-minute order block here. I'm looking for the break below at least. Okay, I'm looking for the break above consolidation high to engage in this trade, because right now we're inside consolidation. I'm not quite sure if I need to trade within this consolidation, but my plan to short to this level and this level. So 88 and 92 is going to be target, so we can get 10 points. But it's just consolidation so far. I do like how 30-minute chart looks so far. I do like how hourly chart looks so far. I do like how 15-minute chart looks so far. Let's see if you can get entry. You got perfect short. Okay, that's amazing. I didn't get anything simply because I wasn't at home to check something. I didn't remember my login and password from my funded futures account, so I said like, okay, I'm not at home. I'm not going to try this. You didn't get my plan? Like, we expecting 15-minute order block, right? This blue line. We have potential for our sweep, right? So 15-minute order block can be higher from PD ray. After this, we got 30-minute potential sweep and hourly potential sweep. The only issue is we're sitting inside consolidation since 5 a.m. I don't really like to trade inside consolidation just yet, but I do like to see drop. Ideally, what I want to see price breaking above consolidation somewhere here, like it's going to be way better above these highs. Or for maybe something like that. I don't know yet. We're gonna see. I mean, right now consolidation. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Chill. Let's wait for break, I guess, above consolidation. Yeah, and we will see. So maybe we'll go somewhere between 804, 808. And we will try to short. That's the plan. gold. It's gold futures. Got 2 longs. Good job, good job. NQ. Guys, what is your bias on NQ and ES? Share with me. What you want to see? My plan to trade today 25 accounts at the same time. Hope to get win these 25 accounts. Guys, maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like I would like to see NQ lower. Like, lower. I'm not saying like 100 points lower. I would like to see all the way down to 580. Just tell me, I'm asking too much to drop to 580 on NQ. Would like to see, drop all the way down like 300 points. Not today, probably, but I kind of don't mind. Good morning, good morning. I just feel like, we entered the retracement zone. So basically on high time frame makes sense to retrace, right? Back to 570, 580, somewhere there. Bias for NQ and ES, like ES just stuck inside consolidation, hard to see. But on NQ, I would like to see lower. Maybe it's going to be like, I saw some people expect to get all-time high. I'm not quite sure about all-time high yet, but I do like to see 580, 570 level. Maybe not today, I have no idea. We are going to have news at 10, so 10 a.m. red folder news. I know, we're gonna see. So where we can retrace if it wants to retrace. I would say retracement can happen to this hourly fair value gap, right? And from this hourly fair value gap, we can get, I hope, smart money reversal. Like, in my perfect world, I would like to see just drop, but what can happen? They may retrace. Maybe daily open, maybe hourly fair value gap. Oh, orange folder. Okay, my bad. And right after this, short again. Just feel like we entered, like, once again, short zone. So let's see if it's going to offer short, like, at least 300 points from current price level. Maybe once again it will retrace back to premium. This premium hourly fair value gap drop as well. What do you think about this? Like retracement up totally possible. Once again, actually my retrace to 970. Somewhere there. Like 80, 90 points higher, because once again in deep premium we have untapped fair value gap. Then probably drop. But I feel like, maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like big drop is coming. So let's see where we can get the entry today, the trade. Because still flat. Guys, I will try to steam today on Project X and TradingView, because I would like to show you how price is expecting standard deviation projections, and we don't have the standard deviation projections on Project X. So I'm going to just jump between them. Yesterday it was quite hard, but once again, I will just jump like this. I have some levels here, but as you can see, flat, nothing to take here. I'm going to just jump between them, because I guess it's important to show you levels. Any trades? Not yet. I hope to get something, but not yet. I have a plan to trade TradingView on Project X, and all my 20 epics, some funding ticks, some TradingView, TradeAwait, and my funded future. So I have 150k on all accounts. So basically I have 150k straight to funded TradingView, TradeAwait, and Project X. I have only 3 accounts total. I have 2 TradeAwait and 1 Project X. So I didn't buy more. Like, I don't need yet. 3 is enough. Probably not going to trade today, take profit, because it's going to copy lots of accounts. Oh, I'm not rich. I'm. I mean, like, I know, but it's rich. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. It's still early here. Just I feel like I'm more bearish on NQ and kind of hard to say about ES yet. On gold, it's just consolidation, so we need to break this consolidation to frame any trades, right? So far, just trade inside this consolidation, I don't know yet. You don't expect a lot? Yeah, it's possible. I'm not going to argue about this. Let's switch on gold. Let's see what we have there. Same chap. Once again, price still trying to respect 3-minute order block. We have 15. It's me actually type it is. What is this? 15-minute order block, 5-minute. Why I keep saying 5? It's 3-minute OB. Price still trying to respect this, but overall I don't like it at all because it's still consolidation. But guys, I hope to get the entry today. Otherwise, it's going to be scam. So what I can expect, probably would like to see something like this, like we're going higher, breaking above consolidation, maybe like, yeah, somewhere here. But as you remember, I said I would like to see 38.25. I still would like to see this, but plan was, oops, we're going lower to equal lows, slightly lower, we have some projections, statistical projections here, then pump. Yeah. So yeah, flat for now. Yesterday I took 0 trades, like 0. You said, remembering the market structure intermediate term low, it seems the price do not have to go higher on gold. The issue right now is consolidation. So let's say, I'm not saying like it is for them, but let's say we're inside second stage of market maker style model, right? So because it's time distortion most of the time, I don't trust the mini chart. I'm going to explain why. Because it's time distortion, right? So basically consolidation, and within this consolidation, we don't want to take a single trade at all. We want to see break above, if it's market maker style model, above consolidation. So basically here's the consolidation, guys. Price keep trading within this consolidation, and if it wants to be second stage of market maker style model, we'll break above consolidation. It's trying right now, and then it will offer another opportunity for us. Make sense? We're gonna see. So I'm not in rush, guys. Yes, we have SMT at lows with gold, right? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, everywhere is how market maker model works. So far, how big like this range? 7 points, all right. So I will keep you a bit with gold. Nothing yet. Expect to get retracement on NQ and ES higher. The problem with ES, why it's so ugly right now? We expect to get yesterday on TradingView TV at 67.28, 67.20. Basically, we got this once price broke above 67.14. We discussed this yesterday to go higher to 67.28. That's pretty much high of the day so far. But once again, I feel like recently ES delivery is ugly. Like, I mean, like, throw is quite obvious, but delivery, like, itself is so bad. You bullish on gold to buy side. Which buy side? Previous day high level. Everything is possible. I would like to see 38.25 as well, but after we taking equal lows. Can be wrong, but it was original plan. Slightly lower. Yeah, it's amazing bear quote on ES so far. Yesterday, like I felt yesterday also was tricky. Maybe I am wrong, but yeah. Talking about NQ, I'm a little bit bearish on NQ, not a little bit, I'm bearish on NQ. So my first key level is going to be New York Pendant Open, obviously, 837. So it's going to be first level. If it wants to drop, it's going to be TP, 827.50. And next level I have, maybe not today, I don't expect to get this today, 587. It's like 300 points lower. Maybe not today once again, but I do like this level. So, but we made the trace first. Back to premium. That's important. On micro goals this was taken? Really? Oh, you're right. Crazy. Okay. Right now picture becoming tricky. Why you said that to me? Okay, we have equal lows on gold, but we don't have equal lows on micro gold. Well, right now it's not that obvious anymore. I don't know then. Why you said that to me? I was so confident it's going to drop to equal lows and probably will offer reversal retracement. Alright. Now, I don't know. Thank you. Thank you so much. To save me, okay. Well, let's think about this. Oh, really? Good job on your new account. So far we have two key levels lower at 37.96 and 37.92, and that's it. At least for now. Hello Jack, hello. Second day very tricky. Honestly, I agree with you, because yesterday, where it was yesterday, we got dropped so far OB, but it was like power hour. Before this, gold was just inside the chop. I see this first time like this kind of chop on lower time frame for the last 3 months. So far we're also inside the chop, which I don't like at all. We're gonna see, guys. So I cannot provide any trade ideas and trades yet. Because I don't really see setup just yet. I have a plan to trade once again more than 25 accounts today at the same time, including this Project X. So wish me good luck. We're gonna see how it goes. But I'm not on trade, it's just my plan. Hope I'm not going to be flat on the day. I hope so. I hope so. Yeah, gold was inside consolidation. I didn't really see. I mean, like, me and my friends wanted to short this, but then we were like, you know, like this job, not quite obvious yet. I use Replikanto Ninja Trader. I didn't take any trades yesterday because we came home at 9 p.m. because my kids have hockey classes every Tuesday and Saturday. So I didn't have a chance to trade something. Alright guys, we're gonna see what it's going to offer us. So So far, we just inspected this flat candle on 3-minute chart. Yes, VTrace. I guess VTrace to OT. Let's see real quick. 50%. Yes, OT. Exactly to OT. Then price offered potential 30-minute sweep. OB, and then trying to continue going higher. So where is going to be invalidation of any shorts, right? So if price is going to close right now above 50% of this order block on 50-minute chart, so basically I'm bullish above 38.08. Hope to get long there. Yep. Let's just see where is... Just going to see. Obviously it's not a trade. Just gonna see this. Four points. This is just like continuation. It just like I'm thinking out loud right now. On NQ, feel like I'm overall British, but I don't mind the city tracement slightly higher first. Hope it's going to offer some trades for us, because yesterday IM session, I was just checking in hindsight yesterday. Yesterday IM session on NQ and yes, it was something special. Absolutely ugly. Yeah, and gold dropped during like power hour to 4 OB, and so far we're just expecting 4 OB. Which one? Was it yesterday? Nope. I deleted. I guess it's in my Project X. Yes, it's in my Project X. So price yesterday dropped to 4 order block and respected this order block so far. Yeah, overall guys, not trades yet. Overall my target remains the same as it was yesterday, 38.25. But original plan was we drop in lower first, one more drop to long. So far we didn't really drop yet, but price it traced to OT. Let's see if it's enough or not, but I'm not on trade. Yeah, I don't use volume imbalances at all. Oh, good job. Like, it's hard to trade, not at home, at least for me. Well, guys, so far, let's just wait. We have lots of time. Oh, I didn't send you link. I'm gonna do this right now. Sorry, problem is this. Amazon. So I use this camera. If I'm going to find this on Amazon. To stream this camera, and so someone asked me about links for camera and lens. It's a huge link, right? Okay, I'm probably going to send you on Twitter because it's a huge link. So this is camera and my lens. I'm gonna see right now because I don't remember. I have two of them. It's okay. I believe this one. Yeah, this one. And this is lens for camera. I have two of them. Frank, you learned Russian? Really? Good job. Well, guys, what we can see right now. Yeah, this lens, I have two of them. I use this one right now. Okay, guys, we have potential 30-minute SIP, so basically we have double SIP, price still expects in 50-minute OB. Let's see if we may get at least attempt to retrace back to those equal lows. Like, guys, yeah, additional plan, something like this. I know, like, let's see if you are going to get something. We have SMT at these highs. Price still trying to respect 15-minute order block. Guys, what do you think about gold? Share with me, because I feel like I'm a bit blind right now with setups. But we broke above consolidation high. We have equal lows lower. Overall bullish. Can we drop like 9 points right now? Or just asking, or not? Yes, no. Like, let's compare our opinion, because I'm not sure as well. Nope. Okay, just asking. I don't want to see price going to 96 and 92. That's me. You know, we do have 3-minute OB right now. We do have SMT price trying to respect 15-minute order block. Just in my opinion, it just makes sense to over move down to 96, 92, and probably right after this it will over set up. I can be wrong, definitely, but this is what I think. Market. Oh, okay, guys, market is open. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, we dropped like only 1 point so far. All right, we gonna see. Style, price label. God, I have like just one simple question. What are you doing? So guys, I'm watching right now 96 and 92 area, as I said before. Oh God, what are you doing? Guys, can you smell the scam right now? Okay, at least it was obvious. I don't know, like, I feel like last 2 days is so tricky to me. I feel like I'm just blind, probably. But be honest, looks good. So approaching this 96 level, I would like to see at least 96 because we have 3-minute flat candle there. Let's see if we get drop. By the way, let's see where is 2R, just interesting. Of original setup. Yeah, should take it. 96 looks good. At least as partial. I mean, like, first level. I know. I would like to see 95.9 at least, simply because we have 3-minute flat candles there. It's right below 70.5%. I feel like it's kind of volatile right now. Why? It's maybe because of market just opened? I know. I believe we need to go lower first. Oops. But maybe I am wrong. What do you think? No, I believe we need to go lower first. It was original plan, right? Like 96 taken, maybe slightly lower, like 95. I mean, it's approaching this level. I would like to see 95.9 simply because it's flat candle on 3-minute chart. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we do have SMT. I saw that, yeah. That's why I asked you guys about what do you think about shorts, because it was quite obvious. Not obvious. Okay, not obvious. It was tricky at the same time as well. It will take 95.9, otherwise it's a scam, simply because it does not make any sense not to take this level. And I would like to see equal lows, but sorry guys that I'm watching here because project ticks over here, charts here, so I have to watch. 9.15, that's 7.15. That's a great question because we were inside consolidation. That was the main reason why I didn't take a trade there. Hope I answered your question. Yeah, guys, sorry, I'm watching like right now. I know it's annoying because I need to watch at you guys. Yeah. So we took 37, 95.9. So basically a 3-minute flat candle. I'm wondering right now if it can drop lower to equal lows. For example, of this setup, it never offered 2R yet. Right? But at least, we took this flat candle. I was watching this all morning. I mean, initially it took this flat candle, which was right below 50%, but I wanted to see deeper retracement down. So yeah, guys, let's see if it's going to go lower. This equal low, I mean, we don't have equal lows on micro gold, but we do have this equal lows on gold. Lots of questions right now, guys. What do you think about equal lows? Chatbot, please. I wish like someone could take trades for me. I don't need to sit and wait for setup. By the way, it's great idea to create like a bot that's going to trade in just this setup. But you know, it's hard to program this because because it's hard to explain what is bias actually, because sometimes intuition helps me with trades and so on, while really computer probably cannot do this. I can say like if this and this, trade this one, but in reality it's still hard to do this because I have bias. I can flip my bias if I see invalidation or something like this. I'm talking about if I want to write code for bot that's going to trade for me. It's still quite hard. No, I got your question. I just was thinking about this for a long time already. We have news at 10. Exactly right. Let's check 5. Again, main question if you are going to take will not. It's impossible to replace, I think so. I can be wrong, just I'm not sure if it's like really possible to replace a human so far. It's hard to replace the logic because we can flip the bias because we see invalidation, but computer cannot do this, right? Unfortunately, or fortunately. Why is she angry on you, at you? What happened? What happened? Oh my god, come on. Go and talk with her. It's once again, it's still hard to explain to computer when to invalidate the bias. But yeah, logic based on like open, high, low, close, yeah, makes sense, but still. Well, guys, it hit this 2R, which is nice, but, and yes, it's trying to respect this flat candle on 3-minute chart. Equal lows remains lower still. So main question, since equal lows lower, can we get equal lows so slow? I mean, it should be okay, I guess. I mean, I don't understand what you mean right now. So area where we are right now is okay to me, so I pretty much was watching this area. But I'm wondering right now about equal lows. You know why I'm wondering about this? You're out. It's okay. Why I'm wondering about this? Because micro gold took this low. Let me actually show you. As you can see, here's a micro gold took this low over here, while gold failed. Right? See this? Here's the difference. That's why I'm thinking like if gold, ideally, yes, I would like to see gold going lower to this equal lows. And then we will see. That's the plan. Like, let's take equal lows and see what we can expect. Just for now, yeah, current area is probably okay to me if it wants to reverse, but preferably this equal lows because it's hard for me to trust when micro gold took this, or MNQ took liquidity level, and Q gold failed. Always tricky. Need to take this. What do you think? Can we go to equal lows at 92.4? And this level on... yeah, like 92. Sorry, guys. We have news in 18 minutes. Yeah, I cannot call this like SMT between micro gold, MNQ, and NQ, but it's always tricky. To me, I always believe like we need to go there again to respect, for example, to respect exactly the same level as micro gold or MNQ respected. And when I see like just complete reversal, like V-shaped reversal, I'm like, oh, why? This means like any minute I can expect this trap to take this equal lows. Don't do this, please. That's why I would like to, like with this move down so far, to take this equal lows so bad. I mean, once again, current level for reversal is probably okay, but fear of losing. I mean, I'm selling nothing, so it's not really fear of losing. I mean, I don't really care. But news, we are going to have news at 10. It's going to be orange folder news. Watching a 92.4 again. Approaching the equal lows. Here, every single time when you say here we are, here we go, it reverses. Don't say this. Let's check NQ. NQ just dropped to New York midnight open. It was our first key level, right? So we got Judas thing that we were discussing before. So I feel like I'm a bit more bearish on NQ, as I said before. On NQ, I would like to see overall level 580, which is like a bit less than 300 points lower, guys. So yeah, I would like to see overall lower on NQ. And let's see where setup is going to present it, because once again we got potential hourly sweep so far, right, guys? It was confirmed by 5-minute OB, but with displacement, so I would not touch this just yet. I would probably wait for continuation. So yeah, I'm going to wait for 10 AM for a new hourly candle, and it may actually offer continuation lower. We can actually try this then. Short, I mean. Find to reverse from where? No, we need to go to equal lows. Equal loss is about to be taken. Equal loss taken. Of course, of course, of course. Of course. equal lows taken finally. Right now, let's see if we're going to get another trade. Okay, guys, still nothing right now for reversal, but once again, I don't mind to enter the trade again. Just waiting right now for setup. Then I've ended up with 0 trades yesterday. I want to trade Asia, and Asia actually offered 2 perfect trades. And I saw in hindsight, because once again, I wasn't at home, unfortunately. But in hindsight, I would take 2 trades. Yesterday we got what mic? Let me check Amazon orders. Everything ordered on Amazon. So guys, right now we took equal lows, and right now it's important to see if we're going to have any setup right now. I mean, like any signs of reversal to take long. SM7 DB, okay. So here's the mic I use. Sorry guys, I was just looking in my Amazon history. It costed... Oh, not that one, sorry. I have a SM7DB. It costs around like $550. This one. You're welcome, you're welcome. So right now, guys, let's switch... I know, like... on Project X. Or no, let's stay here, because once again, we just hit equal lows. And considering 6 AM open, so basically 4-hour candle ranges. So statistical data trying to say us, it can be potential low of the day if price is going to offer sign of reversal right now. So here's the standard deviation. So if it's going to present smart money reversal right now, we will go all the way up to previous day high level. If it's going to close below equal lows, it will go down first to previous day low level, and then same reversal. So let's see if you're going to get set up on 5, probably on 5, because we got hourly sweep here, and no reason to trade right now. We are going to wait for a new candle, or price is going to offer smart money reversal. Right now, it's going to be long to previous day high. Yeah, you were fast simply because you didn't wait for equal lows. It's okay. I told you. I'm not always right, but... So guys, I'm bullish on NQ to 580 area. So I'm bullish on NQ to go here. I'm waiting for... I may actually execute NQ today, but I will wait for 10. So basically new 5-minute OB. So we got set up that I trade on gold, but no reason, I guess, to try this. But yeah, it's okay, I guess. We are going to wait for 10 a.m. anyway, and we might actually try to catch continuation lower. I expect if NQ continue going lower, we will take 580 level, which is 200 points lower from current price level. But right now, I would not engage just yet on these long shorts. So we got displacement. I would rather to wait for next candle to retrace slightly higher than another continuation lower to try to trade continuation. All right, we're gonna see. So I'm still waiting for setup right now on gold, but maybe it makes sense to wait for 10 a.m. It will offer smart money reversal as well. But okay, it's a great question. Why not to long gold right now? Can you see setup here yet? I don't just yet, but yeah, it will be nice to see if it's going to create smart money reversal to long this. Respecting 0.5 level, took equal lows. Right now, just needs to wait for the model. You know, it's hardest part, guys, to wait for the model. Oh, no longs yet, I'm just saying. Like, I have plan B, people hate me. I remember, like, last week, people hate me for having plan B. I was like, why even care about this? I mean, plan B is first plan. We're respecting this level. Let me make it bigger. So we're respecting this level. 0.5 level standard deviation, so based on statistical data, so basically 5,000 previous for our candles. So if it wants to respect this level, 0.5, it's going to be low for this session, probably AM session, but it needs to present smart money reversal. We will try to long. Otherwise, if price is going to offer nothing from this area, equal lows, 0.5 level, no smart money reversal. Plan B, hate me for this, I don't care. We will drop to previous day low level. But we need to offer continuation. Continuation is going to be based on a new hourly candle. So I don't care what to trade. I do care how I want to make my money. Plan B. I remember, like, it was a couple of weeks ago, I said on X that I was like, I was joking, like, so bad price action, so need to think about changing the job, blah, blah, blah. And someone commented like, at least you have plan B, you can go to OnlyFans. I was like, really? Women, like, we cannot do this. Yeah, it's statistical standard deviations. Indicator based on Fadi created this indicator, but it's open source. It's open source. You can edit this if you want. Like, it's open source indicator. Only charts. So far, yeah, only charts. As you can see, we don't have smart money reversal just yet. This means there is a chance to get continuation lower, but preferable to get Let's see, by the way, maybe we can get on 3-minute chart. Where's my indicator? And here we are. Okay, we got high. We got, yeah, probably if 3-minute chart is going to close below 0.5 level, continuation with 30-minute candle lower, 3-minute OB, break below equal lows, it's going to be plan B in game. We will go probably to previous day low level. It's not even 10, guys. What I'm waiting for is 10 a.m. to get new hourly candle. We are going to have some data at 10, so I just don't want to be in rush just yet. Yeah, you know, overall it's kind of hard to talk about bias because NQ, ES, and gold trading at all-time highs. Yeah, it's quite tricky, like overall, to say like, probably it's going to be a huge drop. Let's short every single new high, like on gold. But every single time when we're at all-time high, it's hard to short. Like we have bad experience with this. I guess all traders have bad experience from trading shorts and all-time highs, right? So that's why like I don't mind to see higher overall, but the retracement like feels like it's important to get this retracement. But I don't want to like talk about like huge retracement because when we're at all-time high, I know like it's always hard to say like it's going to drop like I know like 100 points lower on gold. Yes, we are going to wait for a continuation on hourly here. So basically we have sweep, as you can see. It is either going to be continuation, but it will be confirmed by new 5-minute order block, and I will take that trade if it's going to be continuation. Sorry guys, probably I speak too fast, but what I'm doing right now, why I'm doing this right now, simply because I'm scared to forget what I want to say. Watching micro gold right now, yeah, pretty much. What is the low this candle? 93.7 and no, not this one, this one. Yeah, pretty much the same then. Like 4 cents difference. For entry, new 5-minute order block will be our entry after 10. So we are going to get new hourly candle, and right after 10 we are going to wait for new 5-minute OB. We will enter it. We will try this at least. So I will use 5 micros because it's a new account. Don't want to trade big size yet. I feel like all my indicators lagging right now. It takes like forever to load them. So 2 seconds left. Okay, it's new hourly candle, guys. Perfect, amazing. Let's see what will happen. We have news at 10. Will it offer some volatility? I hope at least to get this. So it's new hourly candle. We are going to wait for new 5-minute OB. If it's going to fail to offer smart money reversal to upside, I will try short. Short where? That's the most important question. We will figure this out. About target. Not sure about target yet. Nothing yet. Just not going to engage. I'm waiting for new 5-minute OB after 10 only. Oh, yeah, sorry guys. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, it's important. 5-minute chart. This order block not important, by the way. I can actually delete this. It's not important. Important to get new order block after 10 only. Equal lows. Let me highlight this. Yeah, you're right. It can be the target. Let's see. Thank you. But first, let's wait for entry. But yeah, we might actually try to aim for equal lows. Thank you so much. Because I have like levels lower. We have hourly flat candle at 737.71. We have previous day low. We have hourly untapped fair value gap. Like lots of levels lower. Let's see if it's going to give me a setup yet. explain. You will understand from my new video. Guys, it's already on YouTube. It's not published yet because it takes time to load languages, because I want to, like, I added like lots of languages to this video, like translation. So it takes time to load these languages, up to 12 hours. So it's already on YouTube, but needs to wait for languages. So everyone can see this, like Spanish version, French, like all languages. Well, guys, going to wait. Going to switch on 5 on my project X, because going to execute on project X. Important to get new order. Once again, if it fails to offer smart money reversal on 5, I will short. Like, it's up to you. Honestly, I would like to see like up close candle right now, because I'm waiting for new order block. So it kind of... Yes, exactly. I'm gonna short if it's going to fail to give us any signs of smart money reversal, like change in the state of delivery confirmed by with market structure shift or inversion. I will try this. What happened? No, any signs of smart money reversal. Remember, we talked about this many times. So, smart money reversal must be confirmed by different level, change in the state of delivery, market structure shift, or and inversion fair value gap. So if it's going to fail to present this opportunity for us, like any signs of smart money reversal, I will short this. This is what I mean. But we need up close candle anyway to create new order block, right? Preferable to retrace, yeah. Like some right here. Creating like failure, see this, guys? Yeah. Smart money reversal to upside, but it's like valid for any. Yeah, I talk, Sam, sorry about this. You know, like I have lots of thoughts in my brain right now, and I have lots of ideas I want to share with you, and if I'm going to speak slow, I'm going to forget what I wanted to say. So yeah, I will do my best. This happens always with me, not only in English. Because when I speak with my husband, I'm like, I need to say this fast because I'm going to forget what I want to say. Sorry about this, it's just me. Accept this fact. Yeah. Let's check NQ. Yeah, same plan for NQ. If it's going to, sorry guys, if it's going to present smart money reversal, so these signs, it will be right now reversal to upside again. But if it's going to fail, we will wait for exactly same order block on 5. On 3 as well, by the way, it doesn't really matter, I guess. But order block must be formed after 10. Yep. That's the plan. This means, where's 10? We need to get something like this. Either like this, order block to short on 5, or what time it was, 10:06. Yeah, something like this, preferably. If dollar is moving higher, this means gold is going lower. Like it can be the plan, but short will be all 5-minute OB only. Okay, it's good for us. At least for now, we don't have any smart money reversal yet. Any signs of smart money reversal yet. I'm just thinking like if it's too much to ask for 580 today, 586 today, because it's more than 250 points away so far. Is it too much to ask for this? I think so. I don't feel comfortable, honestly, to keep my chart on this side. It's so hard to use this. I will flip tomorrow. Yeah. So hard to use this. 5 minute. 5 minute OB. 5 minute OB. Yeah, maybe stop loss is going to be a bit bigger, but it's not a problem. We can just trade lower size, I guess, like smaller size. Don't want to risk more than $300 on your account. So let's see on NQ once again. I need to see like a bit higher first. Somewhere here. And on 5 minute chart, I'm waiting for the retracement. 5 minute OB short. That's the plan. 5 minute chart. Probably like for 10 points lower or so. Same on NQ. Let's check silver real quick. No. Wait. Yeah, something like this, but first I would like to get OB, like short after this. Why it's dropping? Come on, wait. No. Don't leave me without trade. But yeah, it's like planned to get 5 minute order block after 10. It's 40 seconds left on this candle. We don't have 5 minute OB. Like, what is going on with price action? Come on, like I cannot frame any trades already, like for the second day. I mean, I can frame the trades, but it's closed. Oh, good job. What did you use for your another entry? Because I didn't see continuation pattern here. Like, if I want to chase the price, maybe I will see something, but... Okay, guys, I'm still watching equal lows. Hate it so much. I mean, yeah, I got like 2 hour already was done over here. Where was continuation in your opinion? Yeah, I mean, yeah, short was here. Another short. It never presented another opportunity, in my opinion. That consolidation. All right. I mean, like in my opinion, I could see continuation by with 5 minute OB only. That's it. Okay, guys, we just got 5 minute order block. Equal lows remains lower. It took double high. Anyway, like for continuation lower, I needed to have a 5 minute order block. So we got 5 minute OB, guys. Over here, price dropped lower. We entered. Why did we touch this, by the way? We have huge week, so we can highlight 50% of this week. It's still lower, by the way. And we have equal lows lower. Still would like to see lower, guys. Let's check the XY real quick. It's 5 minute chart. I mean, like, yeah, the XY going higher, but I wouldn't say like we got significant move up just yet. I'm waiting for 5 minute OB on. I might actually try MNQ just in case. Nothing on gold. Give me 1 second. I'm not on short yet. I will show you guys. We got 5 minute order block over here. Not yet. MNQ failed to offer 3-minute OB for now. It's alright. Let's check silver. I hate silver to trade silver and brand new account, but it's also can be okay. We got sweep on 15-minute chart, right? So on silver, we're expecting trend line, but previous day low level lines up with equal lows, just saying. I feel like silver can be bearish once we break this 44.22. We'll go to previous day low level with stop loss above potential fair value gaps going to form here. Like it's going to be a tight stop loss. But nothing here yet. And Q. Like second day in a row, I don't feel like USD 1 minute slower. No, it's not normal. Guys, do we have delay? Do we have delay right now? Let me know. Yes? This means it's not good. 1 second. No? 1 minute delay is huge delay. How to check this? Like it can be 1 second delay, 2 seconds delay, yeah. Right now it's 10, 13, and 50 seconds, 51 seconds. I guess it depends on internet connection. Yeah, it's like couple of seconds. It should be couple of seconds. Yeah, thank you guys, because it feels strange at this point. So nothing on queue. Need to flip my screens between TradingView and Project X. Nice music. Yeah, I like it as well. Gold kind of stuck, like doesn't want to move at all. Silver respecting this trend line, but once this breaks, I should expect big drop on gold as well. I will take short on gold. Daily looks bullish on DXY, by the way. We got order block. We're about to get propulsion block, which will be bullish sign probably tomorrow for DXY, so maybe not right now. Going to sit right now and watch ES and NQ because gold doesn't want to move for some reason. So as you can see, we got 10 AM open. So basically we got new for our range based on 5,000. I'm not sure TradingView has 5,000 candles data, honestly. But based on available data on TradingView of 4 candles, we got potential range. So let's see. If it's going to offer 5-minute OB, we'll drop all the way down to 754. Like quick 70 points drop. And on ES, I do like absolutely nothing simply because it's bear quote right now. For 5-minute OB, as said before, preferable to go slightly higher and offer like continuation. If it wants to drop, I would try to short from somewhere from here, not from here. We are in discount. But yeah, once again, when we have continuation, it always short from discount or long from premium. But once again, we need to have structure for this. At least for now. No, I have one account on Project X, so my husband said you can trade everything you want there, like with small size. Like if you want to try NQ, try with 3-4 micros, because I'm not doing perfect on NQ, but like why not to try with 3-4 micros, right? So on this Project X, I can trade any instrument I like, but in my another TradeDeFi accounts, TradeAwait, my funded futures, funding ticks, Apex, Take Profit Trader, he said trade your model. Nothing else. But yeah, I don't mind to try to trade MNQ on this account in case it's going to offer something. That's why I bought 150k. So I can trade like 3-4 micros. And I have like huge drawdown here. So, I mean, you got my point, right? That's why I trying this. I like Project X so far. Like yesterday I created a tutorial how to use Project X. Try this. I mean, read this. I posted this on my X page. And funded next futures, yes. Guys, who is trying new plan from funded next futures? How do you like this? Because I do like this so far. I like their payout policy. Gold. I'm watching gold right now on my other screen. So we have 5-minute OB. If this is going to offer displacement, I will try short from like 92, 91 level. Let's see if it's going to displace. It's good. Yeah, I like funded next futures as well. It's just my personal experience so far. Well, look, I recently, like a couple of weeks ago, bought subscription with TradeCopia, so I can copy TradeAwait, I can copy like Project X as well. But Project X itself has built-in copier. So basically, if you trade, let's say I'm trading TradingView there, I'm going to just copy all accounts. Since I have only one account with Project X, so I cannot copy this, obviously. So I'm looking right now on gold if it's going to offer continuation for me. We got retrace to this 5-minute OB trying to displace. I will probably use market order for this. Short, not right now, like if it's going to displace. Yeah, it will be fine once we can get displacement. Maybe I will be late with my entry, I know, like, but I probably will put my stop loss at swing high here. Not in yet, I will show you once in trade. Just not in yet. Or I will trade on, probably not on yes, because it's garbage, on MNQ. And on gold I will aim for 37.82 level. Trying to wait for displacement. I will trade micro gold, not going to trade gold, and I will trade 5 micros. Okay, let's see. First time using this Project X for trade. Okay, I need to adjust this one. Okay, never mind. Going to just do this later. Let's see if we're going to get set up on micro gold. I adjusted micro gold. Micro gold safe. Not on trade yet. Just trying to set up everything here. Uncheck this one and uncheck this one. Yep. Feel like I'm noob right now. predicted probably is going to be 27.96. This is where I will put my stop loss. Let's see. Yes, still click on NQ. NQ is about to offer order block on 3-minute chart. Let's see. Now I'm not in a trade yet on Project X. Yeah, nothing, no displacement on gold just yet. Watching displacement to use market order. Watching NQ as well to offer order block. Kind of struggling so far, I mean, on gold with displacement. NQ, also watching NQ. Struggling so far. Sitting flat. So it should be micro GC Z25 on Project X. Right? DXY. DXY once again bullish on daily. Trying to displace. So we just took 37. I'm not in trade just yet. 37.87. I know, like, trying to displace it, tracing back to 50%. So I'm going to see this one right now. So here's 50% of 15-minute wick. 7 seconds left of this candle, so probably is going to close with displacement. That's nice. Minor retracement, and let's see. I'm thinking about this trade right now. Look at gold. It's gold, right? Guys, I'm still flat, just in case you're asking. Trying to displace here. Not in trade just yet. For our OB to expected here. Yeah, this retracement. Like, it's trying to detrace right now. Close below equal lows. Would like to see some continuation lower. And Q offering nothing so far, which I like yet. Yeah. Okay, guys, watching right now continuation lower on gold. We got minor retracement to this 50% of this candle. Why I don't feel confident right now? I know. Not in yet. I know, like I don't feel really yeah, I will probably try this. Approaching equal lows here. $50-minute propulsion block over it here. I expected closure below this level. Protected high here. 5-minute chart. New hourly candle opened. We expected 50%. Yeah. Let's see if I'm engaged right now. Yeah, I'm scared. You know, I feel so uncomfortable right now either. So, guys, I'm going to show you once I enter the trade immediately. So trying to retrace back to this 50%, which honestly I do like. We got 3-minute OB over here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's okay. It's okay. New York midnight. Where's New York midnight open? Where's New York midnight open? Oh, you mean like we were there already? Nope. Which New York midnight open? I'm not in trade just yet. I'm thinking about, like, right now I'm looking for entry. Previous one. What's the price for previous one? Oh, you mean over here? All right. I got it. Just trying to find more confirmation right now to enter the trade. Oh, that one. Going to highlight on Project X as well. All right. So you said you want to see a move from New York midnight open to New York midnight open, right? Like from current one to previous one, right? And it's 37.80. Okay, let's see. Trying to retrace, maybe that's okay. For retracement. So we retrace to statement OB. Honestly, I can like this more. You said it would. Where is 2R at this point? Oh, look at this. If I want to enter of this order block on 3-minute chart, 2R is going to be right at this previous New York midnight open level. It might be a good idea, actually. Today, all-time high. What level are you looking for a reversal? Honestly, I'm looking for probably one more move lower, and that's why I'm looking for probably short, not right now, but like next couple of minutes. So guys, we're expecting this 3-minute OB so far, and we tested this equal lows. I don't want to risk more than $300, so this means I can trade if I'm going to enter right now, like 4 points, like 7 micros. Guys, you confuse me even more. I would already concentrate if I didn't read the comments right now. Give me 1 second. Let me focus, okay? I'm not going to read the chat. Let me focus on my trade. So we don't have our OB yet. We have hourly order block. We have hourly propulsion block. It's not propulsion block. Another order block. So this makes sense to go to equal loads at 3782, right? $15-minute propulsion block respected. We have shift and structure. Yeah. Looking for entry. Don't confuse me. Come on. Oh, that's 3-minute chart. We have SMT at silver, but I want to ignore this SMT. We're just trying to respect this. I'm probably... we'll try this short. So yeah, risking $300 right now on this trade. Let's see how it goes. I know. So it's acceptable risk for a new account, like only $340. This is what I normally risk. Yeah, I mean, really, so far nothing invalidates this idea. Unless it's going to respect, like, I'm not going to show you. We respecting 50% of 15-minute week at 3787.8. So basically where we are right now, unless it wants to respect this level, this means I'm wrong with my bias, like trade. But I don't know. Trying. Let's see how it goes. Basically stops above order block. If I'm wrong, this means order block is going to be invalidated. We will go up. 0.9. Okay, here. So basically old New York midnight open. Let's see how it goes. Why didn't I enter with next candle? We didn't really close below these lows. It probably was my confusion. I don't know. This is how I see, guys, right now. I can be definitely wrong. I'm just trying to trade continuation. So basically set up is... I don't know, something like this, I guess. Ideas, guys. What do you think about this? Will we reverse right now all the way up to pre-market high? Or we will take Asia low first? I mean, we will see. I don't know. Nothing is guaranteed in this world. You're trying to short as well. I mean, you know, I analyzed everything and everything like saying, try this. It's a bit less than 2 hours. I know. We're gonna see. Magnets. I don't have safe template here. Where is my magnets? Where is magnets here? Really? I'm going to put at Asia low probably. It's okay, guys. I'm risking $349. It's okay. If it was like $500, I would probably cry because of this. Kidding, but yeah, I would like to see slightly lower. Because, like, talking about continuation right now, continuation is right now or it's going to be reversal. Let me see Asia low real quick. It's a bit like 1 hour. For my stop loss, it's 1.5 hour, 7 points. We need to get the, I mean, like, who cares, right? Guys, I buy straight to fund it with Tradify and funding ticks. How I pass evaluation, I pass this quickly. So, like, don't recommend to do this. Right? At least right now I'm following the plan. Let's see how it goes. Asking for Asia low at least. Below this level we have old New York midnight open, which I'm not confident in yet. Yeah, I might cut here in case it's, I mean, I will see. Asia low so close, but she's how it's struggling right now. I may just, if it's going to take Asia low, I may just cut this trade. It's going to be 1.5 R because once again, I'm not quite sure if it's going to go to 81 at all. Yeah, who knows? Trust me. If it goes to, you feel like I need to leave, like, we're gonna see. It's like 2 points difference. I don't think like it's a big deal. I have, yeah, 0 account with funding ticks. So far, so good. I'm working on my consistency so far. Yeah. All I don't like about this setup, I mean, that's okay because I was in trade, but what I don't like is I prefer when trade goes immediately in my favor. Pretty much it's trying to go in my favor, but it's slow, which I don't like at all. Yeah, my stop loss at the right place. Just too close to Asia low. I'm not sure if it's going to be into our 84. Yeah, once it's, I have a plan probably right now. If it's going to break this low, I mean, we will see. This low, I might trail stop loss. I think so. I know. I mean, like 5 minute, I believe 5-minute chart and 3-minute chart pretty much offered same entries, right? I'm gonna check right now. Yep, pretty much if I want to use 5-minute chart, I need to enter at 19.8. Yeah, it's pretty much same entry. Here's a continuation, which I normally don't trade, but I had to try. Not big size. Risking $340 on this trade. Probably aiming for Asia low. I know. I don't think like I have trade and drawdown here. Do I have this? I mean, who cares, right? Here's the hourly. We took minor liquidity level. Okay, yeah. No, we didn't take this, by the way. Just so that. Once again, I truly believe, like right now, it's either continuation because I cannot like expect any other setups for continuation, at least for now. If it's going to fail, probably it will offer shift in structure to upside to go to pre-market high. I think so. Yeah. So no rush. We will see. Yeah, I mean, do you know why I put my stop loss over here? Because it's going to be invalidation of bearish bias. That's why my stop loss, not at the swing high, but at the body here. It will offer order block. I mean, I'm not fun as well, but why not to try? Once again, pretty sure if I want to talk about a reversal right now, a reversal will be where my stop loss. Like, yeah, it's going to be invalidation of bearish bias. I think so. Because of these executions, it's hard to see candlesticks. Right? If it's going to take this low, basically we have equal lows there, I will trail my stop loss probably to break even. So at 37.85.4 we have equal lows. Let's label this. How to stop blowing accounts? I know, like trade small size as I do this. For example, I have brand new account. I don't want to trade big size on brand new account. I want to either like, I'm okay to take small losses first because I need to build the buffer. So you need to understand this as well. Like, don't trade big size. Right? What a chop. Hey chop. I recommended yesterday if you see like you enter the trade and it's starting consolidating, just cut this trade, like where we are right now, because normally it's just bad to hold this. But you know, like I want to see if it's going to take Asia low. Let's see if it's going to take equal lows first, because it's equal lows. I'm going to trail at break even if it's going to take this. You can take partial at this level. I know it's up to you. See how struggling it is so far? Come on, what are you doing? Guys, if you want, of course you can trail your stop loss. I just don't understand why we're playing this stupid game so far. Such a scam. Thank you. It's okay. Probably I would already cut my trade, but nope, I'm going to sit here anyway. Because I see this chop, like, yeah, it's tricky chop. It doesn't want to take equal lows. Normally, yeah, it's not great sign for continuation, but once again, I will see this. Yeah, it's so slow right now. I would try to cut the trade, but let's see. It's not that big risk here to cut the trade, like in small profit, like $100. Who cares? Really like want to cut this trade. I know. Yeah, I will trail here to break even. I know, I don't want to sit in this job. Either go to my TP or break even. I don't care. Yeah. It's just so choppy right now. Like, we have equal lows lower. I mean, it can be just another confirmation that price made a trade there. The question when, right? Just fucking take it. Come on. Such a scam. Anyway, we had to try this. Biggest payout, I mean, with one account. Okay, break even. With one account was $18,000 last month. $18,000 with one account last month. Okay, I guess I took like $6 last year. I don't know, let's see anyway how it goes. Yeah, it was last month. It's okay. We'll try again later. It's going to drop now. It's going to be scams then. Let's see, by the way. I'm not on trade anymore, but... Dollar? Yeah, it's by the way dropping. One magnet is not enough. I guess it was like too far. Yeah, it just stopped me out at break even, so cannot do anything with this. Like $6, I lost $6 on this trade plus commission. Break even. Time to drop. Why? Because. Come on. Come on, what are you doing? Anyway. It was rude, I think. How rude it is. Come on. Gold. What are you doing? Anyway, let's see. Come on. Equal low stake in buys, that's great. It's okay, guys. I mean, it's okay. Yeah, exactly. Watching this chop. I'm still holding this trade on Apex accounts, by the way. Like, same entry. For some reason, it did not stop me out there. I told you guys, I mean, I hate to trade at the same platform, like at two platforms at the same time. Yeah, seems like my entry on Apex was slightly higher. But I mean, same trade. Let me see. Yeah, it did not stop me out on Apex accounts, but I'm going to move at break-even there as well. Like, yeah. It's funny because on my Apex accounts, I entered exactly here and it did not stop me out there. I was so sure it stopped me out there. All right. Thank you, so. I'm break-even. Yeah, my entry on Apex exactly here. I'm not sure if I can show you because I cannot share screen right now since I change layouts on OBS. But yeah, guys, same trade here. Like, at least something good is going to happen if it's going to take Asia high. I mean Asia low. I will cut my trade there. At least on Apex I may take some profit. Okay. Holding this on Apex, guys. How many accounts? I'm in trade with 23 accounts right now. I'm funded with over 20 accounts. Okay, guys, taking partial. Take partial right now. I'm taking partial on Apex. Take partial. I'm taking right now partial. Holding the rest to Asia low. Closing the trade. I close the trade, guys. Closing the trade. Yeah. Thank you, Apex. You didn't close my trade. Thank you, Apex. You didn't close. Yeah, it's hard trade. It's so fucking trade. Hard trade. Alright, guys. So at least something good happened. I will tell you. I'm out, guys. I'm down $6 on Project X. Fortunately, for some magical reason, Apex did not feel my break even. Whew, at least I can take some money there. Okay, guys, here's my profit on Apex accounts. Alright. Come on, I'm disappointed with this trade on Project X, but at least we entered like same trade. I was just lucky probably on Apex. So lucky. Yeah, at least I took some profit, right? It's not that painful. Good job who didn't close at break-even as I did. Trade was great trade. Great trade. $500 on 23 accounts here. And I got scammed on Project X. It's all funded accounts. I got scammed on Project X, which is, once again, we were in this trade. I just moved at break-even here. I don't know why I did that, but it stopped me out at break-even and dropped to TP. It's okay then. Scam. But on Apex, it didn't hit my break-even, fortunately. Anyway, guys, who holds this trade? Good job. I did, like, once I finish Steam, you will hear my explanation, just watch this. Anyway, it's winning trade, so we got winning trade. You keep saying, like, I don't take trades live, but I actually did that. So, don't blame me for this. It's okay. Looking good profit, so happy with this. Project X, once again, we traded this. I entered, where I entered? Here. No, where? Here. Yeah, I said it's like 1.5 R. Clearly said my stop loss was here for the. I just took $6 loss because it's break even plus commission. Why doesn't show me? Okay, anyway. My stop loss was above this level simply because if it was loss, this means invalidation of bearish bias. Asia low taken. I took exactly the same trade on Ninja Trader, like exactly the same trade, exactly the same time, but seems like I was a bit, my entry was a bit higher, like couple of ticks higher, that's why it didn't stop me out there. Yeah, I'm not fun to trade this at two platforms. But yeah, it's winning trade. Good job. Proud of myself. Daniel, did you hold this trade? Or are you like me? Oh, okay. It basically could be partial like level. Tested 6 times. On 1 minute chart? Yeah. You hold this? I wish I hold this trade on Project X as well. Anyway, it's okay. I still feel like... yeah. I closed at Asia low. It's bad? Now it's going to drop another 10 points? Tell me. I need to know. We need previous day low level? No FOMO. Don't tell me anything right now. Yeah, I closed on my 23 funded accounts. It was like... Probably I didn't watch this because I'm blind with my left eye, my Ninja Trader there. But it was 1 tick away from my break-even trade. But fortunately feels the target. So happy with this. You know, like, I have like new Apex accounts which I passed like 3 weeks ago. Like, I need to get new payout. It's 20 Apex accounts. Once again, I bought them 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I bought them when it was 90% sale. And here's the funding ticks. I have 3 accounts with them, and I'm going to take first payout with them. I'm working on my consistency. Tomorrow I will figure out how to add Ninja to my OBS because I changed layout completely 3 days ago. And right now I cannot share Ninja trade. But once again, it's exact same trade. Like, anyway, good job, guys. Good job. So normally I trade Apex like separately from other accounts, but since I'm working on my consistency rule on funding ticks, I decided to add them to my Apex today. So normally I trade either like 20 accounts at the same time, which is only Apex, and any other accounts like differently. But normally I never trade like 30 or 30 like 3 accounts at the same time. Funding challenge. I didn't know, you know, like 90% off on Apex allows to pass for 1 day. Like, I mean 80% off as well. I pass for 1 day, but it's depends, I would say. Depends. Look, guys, how we're trying to respect Asia low. Brilliant. Brilliant shrub. At least, guys, we stick to our buys. Look how we're trying to... Where was our TP? You said to close half. I cannot say like close like 50% of your position, but I would personally close. Guys, I already uploaded video on YouTube about new gold model, but it's loading languages, so you can hear this like in Spanish, like Chinese, Japanese version, blah blah blah. So it takes at least 12 hours to load this. So it's there, but we need to wait for languages. Then it's going to be public. Close if you don't want to close like 50%. No, I found this on my desk, so but until for market maker. Yeah, let's see. Anyway, like it was good scalp. Not good scalp, it was annoying scalp. But we got it. Oh, okay, yeah. To bullish, we need to get shift in structure. So we just got moved to equal lows or Asia low on silver. See this trend line? I already talk about silver. See this trend line? If it's going to break this trend line, which it really doesn't want to do, we will take previous day low level. Cannot short silver 100%. I think so. Yeah. Look how we're trying to respect Asia low so far. So I hope I cut my trade there. Somehow I made exactly $500. Including commission, it's like $493. Okay, need to get first payout on Epics as well. Okay, let's see what will happen next. We have long setup. Where can you see long setup? I cannot see yet. What do you use? Let's see, maybe we have SMT. What kind of long setup you can see right now on gold? I don't see any. Lows taken, fair value. I mean on lower time frame? I don't really like this on lower time frame. Yeah, I just don't see really for now long setup just yet, but look how we're trying to respect. Yeah. It's trying to reverse, but I don't really see setup just yet. Oh, not right now. Not yet. I don't see. I'm just trying to compare like gold and micro gold right now. I don't really see anything good there. We don't have any shift in structure. We have nothing yet. But I do like this reaction. My stop loss was over here. Actually, from original entry, it was 2R. I closed on Apex 1.557R. Trade. Great trade. Here's my profit on Apex accounts and Funding Ticks account. On Tradify, this trade closed at break even. Once again, normally, yeah, according to this model, I need to put my stop loss at like swing point. But when you see like, okay, invalidation is going to be once we close above, for example, where is my project? Actually, I can show you here. It's 3-minute chart, 3-minute chart. So we entered somewhere here. I don't remember exactly where it was. I guess here. My stop loss was above this down close candle simply because if it wants to go up, reversal will happen with break above this level. That was the reason why I put my stop loss here. Once we entered, feels like we never like were in drawdown for too long. Like we were in drawdown like for a couple of minutes, which is fine. We were down like, I don't know, like 2 points probably. But yeah, not in hindsight. I mean, in hindsight, it's immediately went in our favor, right? Yeah. I mean, you like the right decision to put your stop loss at the place where your setup is going to be invalidated, or you are going to invalidate your bias, right? That's it. Yeah, we need to enter as open of next candle. You know, where was my concern? Why I didn't enter here immediately? I entered instead. Where we entered? Like here, somewhere here, right? Over here. Okay, reason was we got order block with displacement. See this? That's why I said like I'm not in yet, but once I entered, I showed you. We retraced back up to the small fair value gap. We respected this OB and started displacing. So this is where I entered. Somewhere here we entered, right? Then price slightly retraced higher. We were in drawdown like 1-2 points. I don't remember already. Then just chop. I just realized what's the high of this candle? 90. Yeah, pretty much the same. We got this final retracement. I trail my stop loss at break even. On Apex, it never stopped me out for some The reason I was lucky today, but not lucky, like, I mean, we waited for this setup. And on my project X stopped me at break even, actually just took like $6 plus. It's okay. I mean, I don't really care about this. And then went to Asia low, which was our target. So I cut my trade at Asia low. Can we go lower? I feel like we can go lower still, simply because we're still inside bearish structure. So where we can go to previous day low level? Think so? For SMT, yes, I do use this. Yes. I mean, you know, I have lots of haters recently saying like I don't take trades live, but guys, I literally go through every single trade that I see, and once I in trade, I show this. I mean, like, why people hating me on this? Really? Alright, let's see. We're still expecting Asia low, which was equal lows. I would like to see slightly lower still to... Yeah, imagine? Frank, like crazy, right? Oh, do I need to buy separate license for NinjaTrader? I can do it through Trader. Wait, what do you mean by this? Like, copy your trades? Copier? What was your question before this? To copy your trades? No. This SMT on TradingView. Do you have TradingView? No, I mean, every single time when I'm trade, I actually show this. I mean, why are you hating? Like, yesterday and today I wasn't in trade, so... Normally when I didn't see setup before market open, this means it will happen. 2 wins? Just 1 win so far. On this trade. I don't use twins model yet because I don't trade in Q anymore. At least for now. Someone asked me about SMT indicator. Do you have TradingView? All indicators I use are free. Just let me know if you have TradingView, so I will show you. He disappeared. Okay. I just ask you. Do you have this SMT indicator for TradingView? Not TraderWeight, not NinjaTrader. Do you have TradingView? I can send you link in the chat right now for this indicator, for this SMT. That was my question to you. Like, I asked you 3 times. Do you think... David asked us, do you think gold respects market structure better than EOS? In my opinion, yes. Can you use... You can let me know right now. Try and let me know. Here's the indicator, guys. Once again, all free. So once again, on a gold, we still don't have shift in structure to upside, so totally possible to see another push lower. So what level we can take? It's going to be 3780.9, which is... We got a recommendation to use previous New York midnight open, which is previous New York midnight open. And next level is going to be previous day low level. Oh, thank you. Yeah, gold right now is bearish. I agree with you. Like, it is what it is. Second short completed on, yeah, I mean, I'm bearish on NQ. We got order block, price drop lower, but once again on NQ, I'm looking for drop to 754. 754, and if it's going to break below 754, we'll go all the way down to 588. So we discussed this earlier today. So gold does not really works during PM session, but you will see my new video about what model I trade on gold. I hope today, because I already uploaded it on YouTube, just need to publish it because it's loading languages. But yeah, it's pre-market between 7 and 9 a.m. It's I am silver bullet between 9:50 and 11 a.m. And it's Asia session between 7 and 10 p.m. PM session doesn't really work, in my humble opinion. Yeah. It is what it is. So let's see, I will sit here maybe next 15-20 minutes to get maybe another trade. I don't know, let's see. I never traded London on gold. I have no idea, honestly, if it works. I mean, yesterday PM session was bigger move. Yes, I mean, yeah, than usual, but it happens like not always. Sometimes. 37.89. Yeah. So shifting structure is going to be right above 37.90. Exactly right. So you must trade how to deal with 30-minute sweep and next candle sweep in the other direction. So basically we have sweep on both sides. So we call this like seek and destroy, right? So this means you need to trade in the direction of higher from trend. Always. So let's say before this it was like exactly what we got today. We were consolidating. I said I would like to see, like initial plan, I would like to see a price breaking above consolidation high and we short into equal lows. Since we broke below equal lows, I said another opportunity is going to be after 10, like we discussed this before, right? We broke below equal lows. I was waiting for new 5-minute OP, 3-minute OP after 10. We got this with displacement. I was waiting for the retracement. I entered the trade. You saw that. So my stop loss was above this open of this candle, and target was equal lows or London low. Tomorrow is your birthday. Yeah. Okay, remind me tomorrow. Exactly. You're going to win something. Yeah, I promised you like 4 months ago. So yeah. Thank you for reminding me. Well, guys, let's see if you're going to get another trade again. How freaking I move this? So what we have, equal lows broken, then price closed below this equal lows, and we took Asia low. Okay guys, right now is the key moment if it's going to offer shift in structure for us, and if so, probably we'll go back to premium at this area. But since we don't have shift in structure, it still has chance to drop lower to take previous day low level, which is next level. I don't have any other levels anymore. I only have previous day low level. Let's see. What's the meaning of Lumi? I know, like, I talk about this many times. I remember my husband said, like, you cannot use your real name on your social media. I had no idea why, but I didn't argue with him because probably he knows better than me. Like, I never used social media before, and you were like, okay, let's think about new name. Like, it's not going to be my real name. And yeah, that's why he offered, like, let's try Lumi. I have no idea what this means, but he said, I like it. It sounds so great, so nice. I said, like, yeah, let's try this. So right now it's Lumi. How you define the bias? I mean, like, I have plan A, plan B. Is it city in Belarus? Nope, I'm from Minsk, by the way. It's capital of Belarus. Shift in structure probably above this high, since we got SMT above this high. So basically above 37.90, it will offer shift in structure. At least it may try to offer some move, probably to premium here. Oh, thank you. So yeah, my plan right now with Project X, I'm going to execute Project X on stream continue, just executing this, and I'm just going to take same trade on my another fund accounts. It's easier, I guess. I mean, I know there's name Lumi, by the way, like, it's real name, but it's not my real name. They need to go up. Since we don't have shift in structure just yet, probably, but I feel like continuation setup already play out. I'm not quite sure if I can see another opportunity for entry yet. I mean, like, if you want to ask me, should I enter here again? Like, we traded here, like, price it trades back to this entry. I'm not quite sure because from here we traded to Asia low, right? So that's why we took this trade. Right now, I'm not sure. Like, for continuation, I mean, once again, totally possible to see lower simply because, like, overall structure, if I want to zoom out, is market maker sell model on lower time frame, right? I'm just not sure yet about this. But guys, you know, like, I was waiting all morning because overall structure, look at this, like, zoom out this. 15-minute order block, here's 15-minute propulsion block. Well, it was respected. Propulsion block was over here. That's why I was like, I said, like, that, guys, it distracted me from taking my trade simply because lots of people said, like, stop loss, it's going to be long. That's why I stopped reading the chat and just focused on this trade. Yeah, I don't really like this trade overall. In hindsight, that's like textbook, right? But in real time, it was kind of confusing simply because, like, so close to Asia low, like, where we can retrace at this point. But yeah, at least happy I took this. Give it a try. Welcome to my channel. We trade gold here. Sinjun. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I trade gold futures. I trade this on funded accounts. I used to trade in Q, but stopped doing this a couple of months ago. So just switch on gold. Which one of your videos talk about FIP levels and so standard FIP levels? You mean standard manipulation leg, like ICT manipulation leg projection, or you mean standard deviation like these levels? If ICT, then this calls standard deviation projections about market maker model. You can try to watch the latest one, because latest one based on gold strategies that I trade on gold. If you like overall structure, how to trade like market maker model, it's my very first video on YouTube. But for gold or oil or silver, you can just watch the latest one. It calls top-down analysis. Oh, I talk about this. Why didn't I take this? I mean, like, eventually I took the trade exactly where I had to take. So we were waiting for the closure below this up close candle, which was formed after 10 at 10. I entered exactly the same price level. So on 3-minute chart, we got exactly 3-minute OB, which, you know, like, I calculated potential stop. It was quite big stop loss. I wanted to see like a bit like better stop loss for me. So I was waiting for price to retrace again. 3-minute order block. Yeah, not order block, fair value gap. Then price displays again. So we entered here. One more order block, propulsion block. Yeah, maybe, once again. I had to enter initially. It could be 1 hour trade, probably 1.5 hour. But on 3-minute chart, I could get better stop loss. That was the reason why I was waiting for. A bit lower in 3-minute OB. Must continue down after the retracement. We're gonna see. As I said, like, I was aiming for Asia low, and that's pretty much it. To previous day low. You know what can happen? Totally possible to get like deeper retracement to drop again. Yeah, you know, like, I hate to trade 1 hour trades. That's why I said I'm going to wait and enter later. Yeah, lots of people in the chat like, it's long. I was like, stop guys, I'm going to just focus on trade. 8:15. Because it was inside consolidation. We were trade, like, why didn't trade pre-market? I mean, I wanted to trade. We were planning to trade. But it was inside like overall consolidation. I was like, I'm not sure. Like, and once I started steam, I said I would like to see a break above consolidation, then drop to equal lows over here. Like 37, 89, 92, my bad. Plan play out. But another opportunity was basically we closed below equal lows. We were waiting for 10 to offer new order block. Continuation, and we took this. So here's a trade. Yeah, but it was A+ trade as well. Like, I wish I was in this trade as well, but we could take 2 trades today, but ended up taking only 1 trade. It's okay. Profit is profit, so like, no complaints. You know, like, I woke up and I saw, yeah, 15-minute order block respected. Like, propulsion block form. Like, no way it's not going to drop right now. That's why I put stop loss over here, simply because if it's going to close above or at least break this, that's it. It's not going to work at all for continuation lower. Like, no reason to go higher than up of this open of this candle. Yeah, it was my idea, but I discuss this in real time. You know, guys, it's kind of hard to discuss this in real time because you don't know what will happen. But I'm happy that I think right now exactly the same way that I was thinking when I was in trade, like exactly same idea. So yeah. Oh, ask as many questions as you like. Look at silver. Silver displays in trend line. I cannot be better there, unfortunately. Or fortunately. Break below trend line should offer setup, otherwise no. Guys, if you're new on my channel and would like to trade gold with us, join us every day. Because gold, yes, gold offers best setups before 9:30 AM, best setups, but also before 11 we can get nice moves. So it doesn't trade. We don't trade this during PM session, but we do trade this before 11. For example, it offered absolutely nothing before market open, but offered 2 solo trades after. Okay, I started thinking about switching trading from NQ to other markets. It was April this year. I would say second half of of April, simply because I was like, I cannot read the market on NQ. I mean, I'm trying my best, but I don't really see the structure, and my bias like kind of wrong. I was like, I need to change something. Like, I don't want to change the strategy, because why I need to do this? Like on NQ it worked for 2 years, because I traded NQ for 2 years. It worked, but I realized it just, my results get worse. I need to change something. And in June, I started trading gold on my all accounts, but not on Apex. So I'm funded with lots of accounts. I decided to leave Apex for NQ. Maybe it's going to be better. I don't know. Let's see. And I continue trading NQ on my Apex accounts. And I traded all summer, all September. So basically 4 months I trade gold with only one single strategy. And yes, I can say I'm consistently profitable with this. But with NQ on Apex, I blew my Apex accounts, funded accounts. It was last month, beginning of last month. But I have I passed new Apex accounts 2 weeks ago, so I'm going for first payout on Apex for 40k. Short, yeah, would like to see short on gold as well, because we don't have shift in structure. Exactly. You aiming for previous day low level? I don't see entry here. I mean, like, I don't see entry based on model here. What is wrong with NQ? I don't know, guys. I cannot explain. Two R, best decision ever. Just 2R. Aim for 2R. Like, it's better 2R than just be stopped out at break even. What's wrong with NQ? Guys, no idea. I see lots of people keep trading NQ and they making lots of money, but guys, when I open NQ, maybe that's me. Guys, even in hindsight, I don't see a single entry. Maybe that's me. I just used to trade gold, I know. But when I open NQ, I cannot see any entry. Like how people trade this, I don't know. Maybe price action this summer was hard. I know. Once again, cannot explain this. But yeah, hard. Guys, I will stream PM session today, like at 12:30 PM on TradingView TV. Took profit. Okay, yeah, 2 hours, 2 hours. Good job. Good job. Yeah, interesting displacement here. I believe it will drop lower. So expect to get 37.80 soon, and previous the low level at 37.70. So we're going lower. These two levels. SMT settings, please, of course. It's for gold. For NQ, you can put just ES or YM if you use this. Did you try Forex? Never ever. Yeah, 15-minute orbital. Yeah, maybe. High time frame indicator. Calls like high time frame candles by Fadi. So 81 taken, 37.81. Expect to get previous day low level soon. But I don't feel like I missed something, by the way. You're welcome. Here's the settings. So basically, I almost never start with daily chart, especially on gold. I start with hourly and 4 chart just to see what happened in London. Do we have sweep? Something like this. So basically, I'm watching what happened during London kill zone. And based on this, like price action during London kill zone, I already framed the trade for looking for trade during pre-market and for IM silver bullet. So yeah. Let's see, trying to respect previous day New York midnight open. Almost to the tick, right? Interesting. All right, let's see. Closed above this Asia low again, but maybe it will take time, but I believe we can go to previous day low level, maybe later today. I think so. This volume, you know, I don't use volume imbalances. I mean, sometimes I do use this if it lines up with any other levels. But if I say like, let's say I see only, I mean like volume imbalance, I'm not going to aim for this level or trade off this level. Yeah. Today I wanted to trade in Q right after open, but the price never came back to the order block. How do you handle the situation? You know, normally I said I enter at the open of next candle. So basically once we got the closure above, let's say below sequence of up close candles, I'm going to place the trade at the open of next candle. But if I see huge displacement, like down, huge down close candle, and with this huge down close candle we got OB, I'm never going to enter the trade at the open of next candle because risk reward probably never going to be 2R. Yeah, at this point it's better to wait for retracement back to 50% of this order block at least, and then short or don't touch this at all. So we're going to previous day low level. I do use SMT, preferably if I use 3-minute chart for my entry, preferable to get SMT on 3-minute chart as well. $15-minute 2R. Okay, I got it. So basically from 15-minute OB we'll go to previous day low level. Yeah, I agree with you. Okay. It's going there. Right below previous day low level, we have hourly flat candle at 37.71. By the way, I don't feel bad once I close here. I mean, like, I did amazing, in my humble opinion. Like, no, like, FOMO right now, base hit, like... I may look another trade on Project X, but I guess no rush. Like, we'll try it tomorrow. I need to download, by the way, Project X on my phone, because I can actually try to trade Asia on my phone. I trade only gold and I trade like turtle soups. That's pretty much it. Nothing else. Like hourly and 30-minute turtle soups. That's it. Yes, you do have consistency rule with Tradify and straight to funded. As well as I have consistency rule on my funding ticks, which I cannot follow for some reason. That's why I cannot take payout with them yet. Because of my consistency rule. Every single time it's bad. I need to have 25%. I cannot, I always have like 40, you know, like... I don't know how to reduce this. I use 50Ks only. So as you can see here is the funding ticks. 3 straight to funded, one is 50K, 2 is 100K, all epics is 50K. let me see. Growth plan with trade. I don't remember, to be honest, because I only use trade to fund it with them. Gonna check for you. There is no consistency rule there. That sounds great, actually. No consistency rule. I'm not going to lie, I hate consistency rule. I always cannot follow this. It's only the reason why I cannot take payouts fast. Because of this. But once again, anyway, it's me. So today I was risking around like 350 on TradingView and a bit less on Epics because of trading drawdown. Yes, minimum trading day to pass 1, no consistency rule, at least what I see, and no activation fee. Yeah, TradingView really was to try, guys. They're running 30% off right now on their plans. I mean, if you're not lazy to pass your evaluation, yeah, it's way to go. Like, advanced has activation fee, but it's cheap for evaluation. Growth plan, best option ever, in my opinion. And they pay quickly, really fast. It already so long to all-time high. Why I don't want to see previous day low level? Okay, wait. Don't long immediately. If you don't see any model, you know what will happen. It's not your first time trying to do this, right? Wait for stop first. Yes, I have video about this. I have actually 2 videos about this. Let me send you link, guys. I'm going to stream on TradingView in 50 minutes. We will stream PM session there. Here's 2 videos based on models that I trade on gold, guys. I trade this on gold. First one, new one with backtest. By the way, guys, new videos will be more than 40 minutes. My bad, guys. I want to make this shorter, but since I backtest there, it's going to be long. You need to watch this as well. And this one. You wanna see my 15-minute OB, of course. Do we want to discuss this? Guys, look at this, by the way. See this? 15-minute chart, text, book, short. Like, overall. Yeah, I'm pretty much consistent on gold. So far, let me think about this. This month, I took 2 losses. It's September, right? 2 losses so far. Yeah, one is big, one is not big. On silver. You blew your... I don't trade in Q because I blew my accounts on this trading Q as well last month. Epic's accounts. Right now I'm watching, guys, to previous day low level because nothing validates this yet. Watching, let's by the way discuss why I was watching shorts today. I didn't watch like previous day low level, but it was our plan B, right? Let's talk about what we saw here. One second. Waiting for indicator to load. Candles. Here we go. Guys, can you see this potential sweep? This means once we have potential for our sweep using time frame alignment chart, we need to switch on 15-minute chart to confirm the entry, to confirm sweep. It's going to be 15-minute order block. So we got potential sweep, 15-minute order block was confirmed. We did trace to this order block, closed below another sequence of up close candles, order block. And yeah, we could start looking for another trade somewhere from here, like on 15. But confirmation for entry was after 10 over here. Like, it's going to previous day low level. Such a nice drop. Guys, such a nice drop. I hope I answered your question. So basically, model offered 2 entries today. No second. Oh, for the short? No. I mean, of course, you could hold this trade if you wanted, but 2R is what I need. Yeah, I entered that new order block after 10. So basically, once we got new hourly candle, I said I'm going to wait for new order block after 10 and I entered. That's it. That was the plan. Yeah, it did not, I mean, like, I didn't see continuation, but of course, once again, we could hold this trade here. Like, of course, we could, if we can see the future, like, of course, we could hold this trade. But who can see the future? No one. Let's buy gold. Don't do this right now. I mean, do what you want to do. Right? I mean, like, who I am to say what you can do, what to trade, right? But in my opinion, we can go to previous day low level. How do I frame this? Where is my notes? Here's the notes, how I frame smart reversal. So once we hit high time frame level, I want to switch on lower time frame. And if we have lower time frame change in the state of delivery and lower time frame market structure shift or and inversion fair value gap, I can look for a potential reversal. I mean, once again, if we have potential sweep, so potential sweep must be confirmation of reaction from high time frame level. You are not going to trade any sweep you can see. No. Sweep must be reaction from high time frame level. And as I discussed before, high time frame level, I don't have notes here, right? Give me 1 second, I will try to find this. I deleted. I had lesson here. I deleted probably. But I use 15-minute fair value gap, order block, or liquidity level. Same for 30-minute chart and same for hourly. I don't use 4-hour PD race. I don't use daily PD race. I use only 15-minute PD ray, 30-minute PD ray, and hourly PD ray. And only fair value gap, order block, or liquidity level. So I will trade all these PD rays. That's it. And yes, you want to tell me like, it's 15-minute PD ray. How can you use hourly and 30-minute chart to frame the action, like entry? It's okay. For example, today we expected 15-minute OB, and my idea, my task at this point is to switch on 30-minute chart and hourly and try to find potential sweep as reaction from this PD ray. And if I can see this, for example, we got 15-minute OB, we broke above consolidation. That's why I became bearish. Price respected 15-minute order block. I hope this part makes sense, guys. So your idea is to trade off high time frame level using idea of potential sweep. Not every single potential sweep is going to play out if you're not going to use high time frame PD ray, right? That's what I want to see from you. I hope it makes sense. Your task is to trade off high time frame level. For example, 15-minute order block offered, yes, I'm trading off this order block. Another 15, where is this 15 here? Another 15-minute order block offered, yes. Let's look for setup. Yeah, I hope it makes sense. That's your task, guys. Don't take every single sweep that you see. Of course, you're not going to be profitable with this because, once again, if the sweep in the middle of nowhere, probably is going to fail. It's going to fail. Yes, exactly. So, potential sweep, I call this potential. Lots of people laughing at me for using this like word potential. But yes, potential sweep will be from PD ray, like 15-minute, 30-minute hourly order block, fair value gap, or liquidity level. And you will use 30-minute or hourly potential sweep, nothing else. That's it. Simple, right? Short on NQ. Yeah, we drop into 754. Final level is 588, but not sure if you're going to hit this. Who cares? Yeah, see you later today if you want to attend me on TradingView TV, Daniel. Yeah, you're welcome. If any other questions, guys, about the model, I can help you with this. Okay, great question. Why I didn't trade here? Guys, I'm not going to, I really want to trade. I was discussing with my friends this trade, but we were like, it's inside consolidation, like overall consolidation. See this, guys? I don't really want to trade inside consolidation. I know, like, my performance inside consolidation is bad. I want to get like directional move, and here it was like, you know, like reaction from this level, like we broke above consolidation, is much more better than it was over here. But yeah, guys, I got your point. Price touch 15-minute order block. It offered potential sweep. Yeah, if it wasn't inside consolidation, I would trade this. Yeah, once again, guys, you need to keep in mind losses happen. Nothing works 100% of the time. If you see you took a loss, it doesn't mean like you did something wrong. It just didn't play out today. If you see like invalidation of your idea of bias, don't try again. But if you see like, okay, it's still valid, take it. Nothing works 100% of the time. Accept this fact, okay? Losses, it's impossible to avoid them. If you took the trade over here, that's okay, you took a loss. Try again later if your setup is still valid. Do you have any restrictions on timing? What do I mean? I can stream here until like 12:30 if you want, but I need to be at TradingView TV at 12:30 until 2 p.m. You took it from 97. Oh, good job. 10 points, solid. I got a bit less. I got like 7 points or so. Yeah, I got 7 points. Oops. Oh, thank you so much for your kind words. Yeah, by the way, guys, most of the time you will see absolutely solid reaction once we respect order block. I don't know why. Oh yeah. So I trade gold. Let me type in the chat. I trade gold between 7 and 9 a.m. Like it's pretty much often offer setups, but last 2 days I didn't see any. From 9:50 to 11 a.m. and Asia session. It's New York time, between 7 and 10 p.m. So that's time that I trade on gold. Outside this time, I don't want to take any trades, really. Like between 9 and 9:50, I don't want to be in trade. But sometimes, once again, we can get the entry. For example, we got the trade here. But according to my observations, best setups like at this time. But once again, we got set up today at 9:30, 9:27. Yes, but it was like outside the time. But once again, it doesn't mean like this model does not work outside this time. Of course it works. Just high probability setup will be during this time. That's it. I hope it makes sense. Hope it makes sense. I enter long. Ooh, you entered long. I wasn't bullish. I didn't enter any long. See, because you don't use high from levels. You clearly entered at inside wedge PDRA. Yeah, we need to take previous day low level. It's at 37.72. In Q3 fallen. Seems like it wants to take 588 today. I was like 300 points away. Like it's a lot to drop, and then you said like, no, it's not a lot to drop. I'm going to drop this to this level. But it's better. Like I feel like more comfortable to trade gold. Covered some at 720. Where's your partial? You holding to 588? Slow, yeah. I'm in love. You know what happened with me like last couple of months? Not including this month because I'm not doing this mistake anymore. I'm not making this mistake anymore. So I traded gold pre-market. I was like in sold profit, and I traded in Q. Yeah. Great results, of course. Mostly my days were like break even, small profit, red. What I'm doing this? Why I'm doing this? Well, guys, I will see you. Let's take a break, 30 minutes break. I will see you on TradeZify TV in 30 minutes. We will continue trading NQ and ES. Like, yeah. Because gold probably is not going to move at all. We are going to trade. Yes, probably. So I will see you guys at 12:30 p.m. So in 30 minutes on TradeZify TV, lunchtime. Let me send you a link, guys, where I'm going to stream. Maybe we can get something there. I will stream there in 30 minutes. Join the stream, guys. See you soon. Thank you for watching me, guys. Bye, everyone. Don't make stupid mistakes.